Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aylin and in this video I'm going to talk about Japan. Because next year I will go to Japan and right now I am doing a exercise test on how my Japanese is going. And I would really like to vlog there, and I thought in this video I will just do some Japan stuff to take you along with me to a Japanese garden with some light show. And afterwards I'm gonna try some Japanese snacks like this. Next I'm gonna try the candy, but I'm really excited and yeah, enjoy the video. So this is it, I'm making it, so yeah, let's go. Hello, so I came back from school and then I took a shower and then now I'm watching Disney. So I'm having some popcorn and my Tony Steiner and the Disney castle, so channel, I'm Elen, and in this video I'm gonna try some Japanese snacks because yesterday I went to Antwerp and I also went to a graphic design convention, so I will show you a little vlog from that. So I first went to graphics and then I bought some books which are there, and I will also show you that later. And then I went to the city and then I went to Joe and the Juice and I got a tuna kado and a matcha with vanilla flavor. And then I went to the Japanese supermarket in Antwerp, and there I bought a really big bag. So I also showed you it's on my bed, but I've got Hello Kitty cookies, nori in Korean style, and it was wasabi flavor. Then I got a Kit Kat. Maybe I'll take it out of the bag and try it first. Okay, so Philip said to open this up, but okay. So these are Kit Kat cookies. Oh, okay, they're individually packed. Oh, no, not yet. Okay, so it's opened up like this. Okay, take it out. Ooh, cute. Okay, so they look like this. Nice. Oh, good. Really good. I feel like I'm a child. Like I could take this to school and have it in the break. So it comes with this cute golden package. And then you have like a lot of small Hello Kitties. Okay, so then I've also got Kit Kats. And I secretly already ate one. But they're also really, really cute. So it comes in these small packages. And I have here my own matcha, which I'm gonna eat. So you open it up, and there's like little sakura flowers on the sides. Then you open it a little bit with force. And then you have this, which is also so cute. And then, yeah, I'm gonna break them and try them. I'm gonna put it in my matcha. Perfect. Next is wasabi. So wasabi nori. So we've got this package, which is Tsunami and the famous Japanese painting. Like this, like usual. Okay, let's see if it's spicy or not. Oh wow! Ooh, yeah, that's spicy. But good. Just surprised. Wow. Okay, so the next up, which I'm really okay, it's this, which is I'm very excited about this, and it's individually packed like this. Ooh, what the hell? That's pink. That's pink. Oh my god. Okay. Damn. Damn, this is special. It's really good. So then, I'm gonna try mochi. Actually, I didn't buy this in the Japanese store, but I got them and I haven't tried them yet. But this is, oh, maybe I should keep this as a dessert. Nah, let's keep it. Okay. So this is Japanese mochi vanilla flavor. Oh, it's also ice. So actually I should just put this back in the freezer after a while. Why is everything so hard to open up? Need scissors. Okay, so this is the mochi. Yeah. It's like mochi dough on the outside, and then inside it's vanilla ice. Okay, so then we got Japanese pancakes. What else do we have? Oh yeah, okay. We're almost finished. So then I also got Japanese pancakes and nori. Onigiri, I mean. I've already eaten this a lot of times, but it's really, really delicious. So I'll first try the pancakes. Packages. Yeah, it's individually packed. Like, it's not so good for the environment, but sometimes I think like it's really handy to keep your cookies for longer. Yaki. It's dorayaki. Ta-da! Which looks like this cute little pancake. Ah, it's so cute and it's so soft. Okay, so let's try. Mmm. Oh wow. Oh, amazing. Ah, wow. This is really what I want for breakfast. There's also a filling inside. Sweet. It's not overly bitter, it doesn't overly taste like matcha. But it's really, really good. I really like this. The matcha here, it's green, and then inside it's like a filling, but I don't know which filling it is. Marukyo? Maybe it's that? I don't know. Okay, and then the last one is this onigiri. Wish me good luck that I can open this up the right way, because sometimes I struggle. So it's on the side, right? Then you pull it. Okay, that did not went as good as I wanted it to be. I love this so much. Alrighties, so that was a taste test. Thank you very much for following me along, and then now I will show you what I bought at Graphics. Okay, so what did I buy at Graphics? So first of all, I will start with the letter. This was a Riso print letter, and I found it really, really cute. And apparently this is about two illustrators which write letters to each other, and they also answer, and you can also have a description with this. Like, then they will write letters to you or something, they explained. But I just bought the letter itself because I don't really want to have a subscription for this. So in the letter, you open it up, and then on the back it's like this. And I really wonder how they do Riso, because I really like Riso. It's a Japanese type of printing technique, and it's also, it gives always like such a very aesthetic, homemade, self-made feeling. And in this, yeah, so this is inside of the letterbox. Then also got another Riso printing. It's all from the same shop actually, just not the book. So then I also got this Riso printing. This one is this big one. This is the Riso printing book. Courtney. And I think it's about a lesbian couple, and that it's not allowed from God or something. But I bought it because it looks so aesthetic with the symbols. And I really like the letter type, and I also really like how it is separated around the pages. I especially really like this page, because it looks so princessy and very fine and detailed. And it's also a little bit about traveling. It sounds really beautiful. Yeah, so that was that. And then I also got a smaller Riso printing, which goes like this, like a Liborello. And it says I wish. Then I thought that it was really cute, and then you can also open it up like this. And I also just really liked how they wrote it and how they play with the page. And then the last thing I bought was Alice in Wonderland, a book. The only funny thing is it's in French, and my French is not the best. But I was like, maybe I can, now I have a reason to want to read something in French. So, and I also really liked, so it's about Alice in Wonderland, about Lewis Carroll, but it's like the summary that he wrote to the girl. So it's not about Alice in Wonderland completely yet, not the Disney story, but it's yeah, his idea itself. And then I also really liked how the letters were separate, like the handwriting, and also the like this. Yeah, it feels very fairy tale-ish, and also it's a pink book. So yeah, and then you also have some illustrations sometimes. Yeah, so yeah, I really wanted to have it. So, and then the back. So yeah, that was my video. I think I will end my video now here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.